Hello folks, happy Monday morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody has a great week. Hope I do too. A while back we won on Lisa on Yogi Hollow Farm. She was having a giveaway and we won. Thank you again, Lisa. The product arrived in the mail the other day. Get this out here. Alrighty. Can you see that thing?
Yep, sure can.
Super clean. Let's push this to the side. Let's see here. Pull the top off of that one. Super clean. Dissolves grease. Super easy.
Yep, can see that.
Alright. Now, let me set this to the side. Let's take a look here at all their other products. Got a sticker. They have a bunch of different products.
Yep.
And we'll sure be using them. And here's all the stores that sells Super Clean. We watched Lisa's video the other day. She used it. Stuff did great. Her and Ryan, they cleaned is a bunch of stuff. And whenever you're dealing with old tractors and stuff, old trucks, trust me, you got plenty of grease to clean up. We'll definitely be trying it out. We'll be showing you a video on that there also. And once again, I would like to thank Lisa. Thank you for having this giveaway and Super Clean. Folks, if you ain't checked out Yogi Hollow Farm, check her channel out. Here's the products. Alrighty. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe, Lord willing. Be seeing you Wednesday. And one day we're going to be throwing in an extra video. That may be on a Tuesday, maybe tomorrow, if we get it fixed. We found out there's a couple of our viewers, they like watching car rides. So we're going to be start throwing in some more film while we're driving and just add some music to it. That's all it'll be. And folks, thank y'all for watching. Y'all are great. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Watch out for the idiots out there. Thank you again, Lisa.